All right, so it's pretty rare for me to make these kinds of videos because I typically don't feel very comfortable, you know, selling my algorithms and being obvious about it. I like to think of myself as a trader, just like everybody else out there. And, I happened to build algorithms that are very effective in the market and, and decided I wanted to bring those algorithms to the public. At first, I was giving my work away for free. And then I realized that was pretty stupid. I wanted to help traders. And eventually I got to the point where people were telling me to sell my stuff because it was that good. And so I started putting a price on it. I started asking for donations for people that were downloading. And I was getting like hundreds of downloads a week and donations from people. And it was like $10. It was like $15, $20 from people. And it was really nice that people were giving a donation for that. And eventually it turned into me, having a website and selling my algorithms. And, I think that some of my audience doesn't really like that fact. They don't like that I'm a person that sells something because pretty much every single trader on YouTube is selling some kind of tool or course or signal service. And it's tiring, right? And it's unfortunate that I'm included in that crowd and I don't really like it. And so eventually I will stop selling my algorithms, or at least set the price so high that pretty much nobody buys it. And I'm close. I'm pretty close to reaching my goals of $100,000 in my own capital. I will hopefully reach my goals in about 9 to 12 months. And so my algorithms will eventually continue to increase in price as I get closer so I can just be a trader. But at this point, I wanted to notify you guys. I'm having one of my biggest sales on my website, 30% off across the entire website until November 26th through Black Friday. And this is my biggest sale that I've had probably ever. So I'm not sure if it's ever going to return where I have everything 30% off. This is my job, modifying and making my algorithms better for my own trading, and also, making this something that's accessible to other traders as well. So basically allowing you to follow my journey here. It's definitely not as perfect as a lot of people are hoping for, where I've had losses, but some really good consistent trading over a long period of time as well. You can see my accounts here. This is my powerhouse. This is on my main account of $32,000, and it's been going since June 16th of 2021. I'm currently in some drawdown of about 4.5%. I'm in sell trades on the euro US dollar and buy trades on the pound. You can actually see those trades on my account right here. You can see that I have $1,400 in drawdown. But this is pretty typical for trading during a very volatile time. And you can see that my Gopher algorithm has stopped its sequence because it was pushing a lot of trades in this area, and stopped its trade sequence because the trend changed. So it's currently waiting for the trend to turn back to up before it starts entering trades on the buy side again. And a similar thing on the Vigorous. You can see here that the trades were entered here and the trend stopped, and then there was a massive move on the upside. And there has been a pullback, but the trend still hasn't continued. You can see a little arrow right here showing that the trend still hasn't turned back to down. It's on its way and it might turn soon, but at this point I'm still waiting. And so once that happens, then we'll see more sell trades and I'll be able to get out of this basket. So this is how my algorithms have been able to survive such long periods of trading, is because they know when to stop their average in trading because the market is not favorable. And so there are periods where I have to wait for my trades to kind of close out, and it could take a few days, it could take a week, maybe even a couple weeks, but most of the time my trades are closed out very quickly within 24 to 48 hours. So you can see my powerhouse on my other accounts here, which have similar trades, but they're slightly different than my main account, and they're all doing very well. You can see my crackerjack algorithm here. This was recently started on July 27th, and it's been really clean with only 10% drawdown and going really well, and this account has no open trades. The crackerjack is my latest invention, and one of the algorithms that I'm most proud about because it's all scalping, and I feel like scalping in the market is one of the best ways to trade right now. This is the sharpshooter. This is one of my longest running scalpers, And you can see that this account's been going since June 3rd of 2022 and also has no open trades and really clean track record, 67% profit with only 16% drawdown. Here's the comeback kid. Very consistent, long-running trend algorithm, and you can see that it has really low drawdown and a really good profit as well. Here's another account for the Crackerjack. This is on a demo account. It's been really consistent since March 22nd of 2023. And then the Vigorous. The Vigorous has had a long history since 2021 and had its loss in March of this year and has since recovered. And we're going to see how it does currently with these open trades with just 3% drawdown. And I think that it's going to pull out. It's just how this strategy has been working for so many years now. I remember running a back test of 20 years when it had like hundreds of thousands of trades. It's basically in a trade almost all the time. All right, so these are my tracked accounts. Everything is on sale. You can see that right here, 30% off across the website. There's tons of videos here that you can check out. You can join our free Discord channel and just chat with people that are using my algorithms. The Discord channel is really cool because you can see over here on the left side that there are votes that I've started that shows you which algorithm is most popular, what profit is realistic, and we have our users vote for that. RFT profit, how much profit users have made from RFT algorithms. And the most recent vote that just happened, what risk are traders using and how big are their accounts? And you can see here, I have an account ranging from 50,000 to 100,000, but we have some traders that are using on 1 million plus. It shows that the algorithms are really effective. I've been able to grow my account from 20,000 to almost 68,000 now. I've done something pretty awesome here, and I hope it continues to work. And that's why I continue to keep modifying and adding extra settings and inputs to make sure that my algorithm is constantly effective in this market. Anyway, take advantage of this sale while it's going on. I'll see you guys on the next one.